Hey guys, Chris Parsons here with Instinct Systems, and I have another quick little training video here. So I want to take the time to talk about some advanced lead routing rules, more specifically in Follow-Up Boss, but a lot of this information, or at least the theory, applies to any CRM that has this robust ability to segment and differentiate leads and follow-up campaigns. Um, so as an un so you understand where we're coming from, make sure you check out our ClickFunnels and Follow-Up Boss integration video before you watch any further. This will give you the insight and the background knowledge of how our system works and how I'm able to do the things that I'm about to show you. So cool guys, yeah, let's get started. So if you go into Follow-Up Boss or whatever CRM you have, and you go to a section for Follow-Up Boss, it's called Lead Flow, you can see all the sources that your leads are coming from. Now these are all dead. Things have changed over time, but we keep them there anyway. These two are our active ones. So we have our website, which I talked about in an earlier video what that integration looks like. And then we also have our home buyer ebook funnel, which again, if you don't know what that is, go to the video named ClickFunnels and Follow-Up Boss integration or something like that. But anyway, so as you know, what happens is there's a survey that people take and they have to answer. It ranges from 13 to 15 questions depending on some of the answers. And those answers are then sent into Follow-Up Boss as tags. So let me just show you. Here we go. Here's a test account. So on the survey, you can see all of these tags then come in because those are the answers I've provided. And the reason we do this is we have a quick glance of, we can see the attributes of this lead and what their situation is and what they're trying to accomplish and when that's going to be and all that good stuff. But I also want to use this to help automate our follow-up and keep that conversation relevant to their situation. Keep the context of the conversation relevant to their situation. And that's really important because we are sending out automated emails, but we don't want them to look like an automated email. I mean, when you get an email and you read it and you can just tell that, you know, they maybe use some merge fields and just, you know, the meat of the email is just it's not enticing to read. It doesn't relate to me at all. I can't relate to it. I really just don't want to read it. It's not interesting. We're trying to avoid that, and the way to do that is to use the context of their situation in the context of the email. So again, like I said, we have all these tags, and the reason this is so great is if we go into advanced lead settings, and we're building this out as we go, but this is basically the rules for this lead source. So each lead source can have its own set of rules. Like our website has one lead set rule only because we're not given that much information from the website. The best we have is price, which you really can't. You can only do this with tags. So, but anyway, so what we're seeing here is we're seeing rules. And these are in order of which one applies first. So what I have set up here is if any of the leads from our home buyer guide Facebook ebook source meet all of these conditions being they have a tag that includes house to sell, well then automatically Matt will be assigned, Rob will be assigned as the lender, and the action plan that's being sent to them or that they're set on is specifically designed for people who have a house to sell before they can buy a home. So this includes action items like tasks that would be helpful, such as like a CMA. People are going to want to know that, so we're going to offer to provide that. If we go further down, you know, we ask if they're a veteran. Well, this actually has a big effect on the kind of loans we can give them, and it's important that they know that But another important thing is maybe they're not quite ready yet, as you can see. Maybe they're 6 to 12 months out. Well, for the leads who meet any of these conditions, excuse me, if they have the tags that include they're a veteran and they said that they're going to move in less than 3 months, or they're a veteran and they're going to move in 3 to 6 months, well, then they're going to get our action plan that is designed for talking to veterans who are looking to move in less than 6 months. So of course we do it 6 to 12 months, more than 1 year to now. All is the same, different action plan, different tasks, different messaging. First-time home buyers, did they answer yes to that? And if so, are they going to be moving in less than 6 months? Well, if that's the case, we want them to be receiving the action plan designed to talk to them. And again, 6 to 12 months for a first-time home buyer. Now, the cool thing about this is you can really build this out. Like, we ask credit scores, and we're in the process of making a new action plan that's actually going to redirect that lead to a credit repair person. This way, our lead is really taken care of, and we know that they are working with someone who we trust and we communicate back and forth with easily. And we also know that your lead is going to be closer to buying a house. And the longer they stay active within your sphere of business, the higher of a chance they're going to convert for you. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Feel free to ask if you have any questions. Leave a comment. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like, and I'll be happy to shoot some more information if you have any, or if you have any questions.